Good day students. In the first question of exercise 4b, you have to represent the given rational numbers on the number line. So there are two rules. The first one is when the numerator is less than the denominator, that number will be represented between the numbers 0 and 1. Here you can see that the numerator is less than the denominator. So in that case, if the number is positive, that number will come between 0 and 1. So as you can see that the denominator is 3. So between 0 and 1 you will make 3 parts, and after that you will shade the 1/3 part of this area. In second part we have 2 by 7. Again the numerator is less than the denominator, therefore the number will be represented between 0 and 1. Now the denominator is 7, so you will divide the area between 0 and 1 in 7 equal parts. After that you will shade the 2/7 part of this area. The third part is 7 by 3. In this you can see that the numerator is greater than the denominator. So you will divide the given numbers. You will divide 7 by 3. Now you will get a mixed fraction, that is 2 into 1 by 3. It means your number will be 1 by third part more than 2. So your number will come between 2 and 3. So between 2 and 3 you will shade out, you will make 3 equal parts of this rational number. Okay, 2 number is covered in it, and after that between 2 and 3 you will make 3 equal parts, and you will cover the 1/3 part of this area between, and it will be 2 into 1 by third part. Next number is minus 1 by 3. So as you can see that the number is negative, so it will be represented between 0 and minus 1 if the numerator is less than the denominator. Here again you can see that the numerator is less than the denominator, therefore the number is negative, so it will come between 0 and minus 1. Now you will divide the area between 0 and minus 1 in 3 equal parts. As the denominator is 3, you will divide the area between 0 and minus 1 in 3 equal parts, and now you will shade the 1/3 part of this area, and it will be minus 1 by 3. Now the next part is 8th part, minus 12 by 7. Again you can see that the numerator is greater than the denominator, so keeping the negative sign aside, you will divide the given numbers and you will get a mixed fraction, that is minus 1 into 5 by 7. So your number will come between minus 1 and minus 2. Also mind that the negative values go from right hand side to the left hand side of 0. 0 से left hand side को negative values जाती हैं. Now you will mark 0, then minus 1, and then you will divide the area between minus 1 and minus 2 in 7 equal parts, because after minus 1 you need 5 by 7th part. Okay, so it will be, you will divide the area between minus 1 and minus 2 in 7 equal parts, as the denominator is 7. Therefore after that you will mark the 5 by 7th part of this area, and it will be minus 1 into 5 by 7th part. So that is about the question number 1 of exercise 4b. Now coming to second question, in this you have to find out the greater number between the given two numbers. So the first part of this second question is 5 by 6 or 0. As you know, 0 comes before all the positive numbers. Therefore all the positive numbers are always greater than 0. All the positive numbers are always greater than 0, and the values which are in minus, which are negative, those numbers or those values or rational numbers are always less than 0. All the positive numbers are greater than 0, and all the negative values are always less than 0.